Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a little bit different than the content that I usually upload, but I work a lot with video data and I was wondering how I could attach video into a Microsoft Word document. So in this video, I will show you a couple of ways to do this. So let's begin. The first way to do it is a lot simpler. You would want to go to, from home screen, here you want to go to Insert. From there on, you would want to go to this box here. It's called Object, and then click on it. Create from File, and then Browse. I save my video in my desktop, so I'll go to my desktop, and then I name the video Flower Stealer. So clicked on it, Insert, OK. And then there you go. You have attached the video. To play it, you'll just have to double click on it and then open the video. The next step that I'm going to show you is a little bit more complicated, but I'm going to walk you through step by step. So first, you would want to go to File and then go all the way down to Option. And then you'll see Customize Ribbon. From there on, you'll want to scroll all the way down and put a checkbox under Developer. And then click OK. And then you should see that besides View here, that there's a Developer tab. And then you could click on it. And you'll want to go down here, which calls Legacy Tool. And then go down to the right corner, More Control. From there, you would scroll all the way down to Windows Media Player. Okay. Now you'll have this popped up. You could make it bigger depending on how big you want your video to be. I'm just going to make it this size for now. So now is actually inserting the actual video. You'd want to right click, go on to Properties, double click on Custom, file name or URL. If you know your file name, definitely write it down. Or you could also go the easier method, browse it. Desktop, Flower Stealer, open, and then you would go. So don't OK it first. Go to Advanced. And then from there, you would want to click Windowless Video. And then Apply, OK. And then you could click Close that. So now your video is ready. All you have to do is turn off the design mode, and then you could watch the video here. That's it. That's how you upload a video into a Microsoft document. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And otherwise, I'll see you next time. Take care.